Hey IDs, welcome to Module 4. This is probably my favorite one. It's the one that I actually started with. When I first started developing this course, I started with the project management one because it really lends itself to some rather provocative discussion and so forth. And where that comes from is, there is this interesting potential crossing or fine line between instructional design and course development things and project management. And of course it bears the question: are we in fact project managers? And that's one of the prevailing topics for the week is thinking about that, and thinking about from your experience in a production environment or whatnot, whether that makes sense. And we have a couple of really good articles actually that discuss that, and it'll allow you to just be enlightened a little bit and formulate your own opinion and maybe match that with what you know from the workplace or whatnot. But it is an interesting item, and normally there's a really sensible amount of feedback that comes out of this, in terms of experiences and sharing them and so forth. So I hope you get a lot out of this particular module. You'll probably notice that Module 4 is kind of a little bit on the light side in terms of the work that goes into it. But you know what? This is actually another really important thing. This week is actually where we really, honestly, truly start to think about the actual project. We've gone through a few weeks where we're talking about the efficacy of online learning. We're talking about the tools we'll use for online learning. We'll think about the concept of the adult student, right, and the user audience and things like that. Well, now that we have that background, now we're going to actually start to employ those things and use some that basis to begin planning the development of an online course. And the real exciting thing is that once this thing is finished, you're going to have a really nice portfolio item if you're looking for work or if you're looking for a promotion in the field of instructional design. So just kind of bear that in mind as you're doing your work. So the truth is that the first half of the week is kind of on the light side, but then what happens is that once we cross say the Wednesday of the week, you're going to see that we're going to be actually rolling out a couple of assignments that are going to extend over a couple of weeks, and you're going to be really rolling on your project. So keep an eye out at the end of Wednesday, beginning of Thursday, late at night. You should be receiving correspondence from me with regards to the assignment and setting up our work with the final project assignment. So just get yourself ready for that. Get excited about that because it's going to be really fun actually. So keep an eye out for that, and I hope you have a really terrific week with investigating project managing and getting rolling on your course project. So I'll see you online. Bye bye.